Hey guys, welcome to Smartphonefan, and today I bring the latest POCO M5 Pro, M5 POCO. Yes, so this is the latest model from POCO, and they just released this model in India. And today I'm going to show you what's inside this box, and we will talk on the basic specification about this latest model from POCO. So the first is the box, and for the POCO series, they use the yellow as their standard or the classical color of this brand. So there's no doubt they use the classical yellow box, and also we can find the black model name in front of the box and also brand name in front of this box. And on the other side we can also get the model information, and also here with easy access to the Google apps you use most. It means yes, you will use the Google apps. It will install all the Google apps. Okay, next I'm going to open it, and then we will find all the stuff inside this box. So after we open it, we get smartphone. It's in a soft plastic bag, and then after the smartphone we get this is a charger, and this time they provide 18-watt fast charger, and also they provide a Type-C to USB cable. Okay, so this is all the stuff inside this box. I will say the design of this box is very simple, and also we can see that we just put the charger and the cable, in a simple way in this small space box. And from this side, I will say everyone can notice that this is a low-end smartphone for the users. So after we checked the stuff, let's go to the smartphone itself. So before we open the drag the smartphone from the plastic bag, now we can find some basic information about this phone. POCO M5, and the list is 4 main features about this phone on the plastic bag. The first is the MediaTek Helio G99 advanced 6nm processor. So this processor they use the Helio G99, and it's a 6nm processor, and also the camera 50 megapixel AI triple rear camera. So this phone will use triple camera, and the main one is 50 megapixel, and also the front one is a 5 megapixel front camera. So the front specification, I will say, is low-end product. And also the display is a 90Hz FHD plus dynamic switch display, and they use the Corning Gorilla Glass. This glass can it's not easy to broken, and can protect the display, the screen well. And also the battery is 5000 big battery, and also they use the 18-watt fast charger. Okay, so this is the information we get from the soft plastic bag. And then next, let's open it and drag the smartphone out. And this time we bring the black edition, and from the official release conference we know that this time they have 3 colors for the users. The power black is this one, and the icy blue, and also POCO yellow. So the yellow one I think is the most unique one and a special one, but this time we get the black one, and it's a normal color. And next I will talk on design of this phone, and then we will talk on the processor, and then the screen, and then the battery, and then the camera, and then the other things that I think I should mention. The first is about the design, and this time for the POCO they use for the back panel they use the leather material back cover. So if we can see this angle, we can see that they use the leather material for the back cover, and also in the upside they use the a shining, I think it's plastic or glass, a shiny material, and 1, 2, 3, 4, the four dots or 4 circles, and 2 big is for the camera, and also another small circle is for another camera, and this one is the dual camera, is dual LED flashlight. So totally this part they use the symmetrical design of the camera part, and also in they print the logo, the silver logo in this glass. So it's very simple design, as we can see, and also it's a pure black body, and also even the frame, and also the other part they use the black, and so it's totally black when we hold it in my hand. And if we don't wake up the screen, we can find that it's still black, and when we wake up screen, we can find that it's a wardrobe screen, and it's almost it's have a yes, not narrow bezels, but the bezels is a white bezels. So no, there's no doubt this phone is actually a low-end product. And also the next part I will talk on the processor, and this time they just provide a new chips from MediaTek. This is the MediaTek G99 processor. This is the 6nm producing technology processor, and also the maximum frequency is support to 2.2 GHz, and these have 2 main high frequency cores and 6 main cores. So these have octa-core processor, and at this time for the GPU they use the Mali G57 MC2, and also for the Helio G99 processor it support 108 megapixel cameras. But this phone is not a 5G, because the G99 is not a 5G processor, and so this is about the processor. And also for the RAM and ROM, and this time we have this 6 GB RAM and plus 128 GB ROM, and for the RAM and ROM is support DDR4X and UFS 2.2. So it's okay, so it's a low-end product, but for the specification we can find that it's acceptable for the entry-level users. Yes, so this is processor, and also for the official website we know that the entry score of this product can reach to 378,433. So it's from the score, it's okay, it's acceptable. And also next, let's go to the screen part, and this time they provide a 6.58 inch FHD plus and 90 Hz screen, and as you can see they use the wardrobe screen, and also the screen is support to 240 Hz touch sample rate. So, and also it have a smart display. Yes, it can dynamically change the switch if you use it in different circumstances. Yes, and so this is about the screen part. And then about the battery, and this time they use the 5000 big battery, and it support 18 watt fast charger. And normally if you don't use too much, it can support 2 days when you use it. So for the battery part, I think this is the advantage of this phone. It's have 5000 big batteries, so it may used as your perfect backup smartphones. Yes, so this is about the battery index, about the processor, about camera part. And as we talked before, and I will show you, is have a 50 megapixel rear camera, and also a front camera is 5 megapixel. Yes, So yes. And the second and third camera is 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel. So it's support triple camera system. Yes. And we can show you the samples, photo samples of this phone. Yeah, so this is the front camera, also rear camera, and also let's switch the camera, and then we will take a front camera. And then I'm going to show you the quality of the images. Okay, actually, the front one is acceptable. We can find the numbers here, but here for the smaller words we cannot get it. And also for the lines, okay, it's blurred and not a lot of blurred, not so good. It's also okay, the color is not original color. Actually, it turns a bit light. And go to the real one. For the real one is okay. We can get the original, the color of the project is not lose the original color, and also we get the tiger details and the colors and the shining part. Okay, so actually so for the camera, I think it's acceptable considerate to the price of this product. And also, so this is about the camera one. And also the last I'm going to show you the features this phone has. Like here, the 3.5mm. Actually, for Xiaomi low-end product, they always keep this 3.5mm headphone jack. And also, yes, for the camera, and it's have a f1.8 megapixel camera, and for the second and third camera, the 2 megapixel third is support macro lens, and also for another 2 megapixel support portrait mode. So this is it is the main features about this product, and I hope you like this video, and let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.